Today I'll show you how to enable notifications and badges for your social accounts. In your TikTok account, click on Settings, then scroll down to Push Notifications and switch the toggle on. Exit Settings, then head up to the address bar and click on the Site Settings icon on the far left, then select Site Settings from the drop-down. Scroll down until you find Notifications, then select Allow from the drop-down menu. Close the Settings tab and return to the TikTok app. You'll see an alert banner at the top. Click the Reload button to activate the change. You'll see an unread badge on the TikTok app and on the group icon in the web dock, keeping you up to date on any new items. Next, right-click on the TikTok app and open the app's settings. In the Badges and Notifications section, you can choose to show or hide the badge on the TikTok icon. You can also include the number in the global wave box count. You can pick a notification sound for each account so you can easily recognize it when you're working on other things. Choose one from the drop-down or upload your own. All apps in Wavebox sleep after 15 minutes of inactivity by default. This saves valuable memory when you're not using the app. However, you can set an app to auto-wake throughout the day to check for new activity. Finally, let's check that updates are coming through to the unified inbox, the Wavebox Mini. Pop out the Mini or keep it open on your desktop. Click the TikTok group to show the apps and confirm your app has a new activity listed. Clicking on an item in the Mini is a quick way to navigate. And that's it. You can use this method for your other apps and social accounts so you're always up to date. Thanks for watching.